My name is Betsy Bachman. I'm principal at Coan Middle School here in Southeast Atlanta. This year we're in a different building than last year. We're in the Eastlake Elementary School building, and we have about 320 children and about 35 staff members. We made a very successful transition to this building. We've been in here a month, and the students have adjusted well, the teachers have adjusted well, the parents. The school system has been very supportive of what we needed, and being in a small space gives us a chance to regroup and rebuild for the next few years, to really refine what we're going to work on as far as teaching and learning, and to really focus on, it's a small space, the students are very close by, the teachers are very close by, and I have been very, very pleased with how the children have adjusted to this building and to this new environment, and it's just been a great year.
Hi, my name is Coan. I'm in the 8th grade at Coan Middle School, and this summer we went to the space camp in Huntsville, Alabama.
5 people who were picked from math and science so they can enhance it. And the 5 people, they were interviewed, they were asked questions, they had all this different kind of stuff.
We were heading off to the airport, and we flew down the Fish and Richard Space Center, and it was actually pretty enjoyable. The first day, we were just getting to know everybody, moving our stuff in our rooms and everything.
The thing that really messed me up was that we had 30 minutes to shower and then get in bed, and lights out was 10, I think. So that was kind of iffy.
The second day, we were just exploring the entire camp, getting to know our team leaders and everything, and my team, IO. It was real fun. There's
like a rocket park that's in there, and they let us ride the rides. There's one ride called G-Force Gravity. It spins you around really, really fast, and it makes your face press forward, and it really hurts sometimes.
We rode this ride called the Space Shot, and it took us right up. It's like a simulator for when you actually go up into space. So we ride the space ship all the way up and come back down. It just you feel it everywhere. You feel like you're flying, really.
Going in this camp, I didn't really know what to expect or anything. It was all new experience for me. But actually it was pretty fun. I learned a lot about physics and everything about space.
On Wednesday, we actually did the shuttle mission, and it was fun. I had a hard role. I had to go out to the actual moon, on the moon base, and actually put up panels so the other port on the moon could fire up so the people on Earth could come back.
One of the missions, I were in the Orion space shuttle, and I was actually mission specialist 5, so I had to just sit there and count down. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was actually pretty fun.
We also rode kind of a simulator of, like, when you're in space, how does it feel? So, like, we get on this ride and they just flip us over and over and over. But the weird thing was, it wasn't dizzy because they said your stomach would be in the same place, so it wouldn't get dizzy. You know where you're at. And so I experienced 1/6 gravity. They put us in the chair, did the whole walk on the moon, how you walk on the moon, taught us about all these different kind of stuff.
We were repairing the windows and everything, and it was actually pretty new. My partner on the other side, she had a wrench and I had some pliers, and I didn't know how it was going to work, but somehow we got the window off and repaired it and everything.
But it was really fun. I got to learn a lot about physics, which I'm taking now, and how all the chemicals being good together can make a real big difference, like zero gravity with nitrogen and stuff.
Then that's when I went and I became a scientist for a couple of hours, and I got to actually technically blow things up.
And that last day came, and it was just like so emotional because you're like, I don't really leave because I just met you guys.
By 12 o'clock, it was time for the graduation, and there we met an astronaut. I forgot the astronaut's name, but we met an astronaut, and when we got on the stage, our badges that has my name right here had to be upside down because we officially didn't get our wings set. He then snatched it off and put it upright where our name would be upright and looking correct, and then we graduated.
and then he give us some more wings to put on the flight suit. And so I really adored it. I thought I was being really honored just for the things I've done, and I loved it.
In a week, I learned at space camp so much about space that I never knew. I made 2 best friends and they're lifelong best friends, and overall, I wish I could go again.
But you really got to feel what it was like to be an astronaut. To maybe you're not in space, but you got to feel like, wow, this is how they work. Like, I really want to do this.
I speak for all of us when I say we love you. Thank you and goodbye.